Good morning all. I Razia Pathan from Gnanaji Vidyapith Standard 4th. So students, today we will start 7-digit and 8-digit number. How we read the 7-digit and 8-digit number, that I'll show you here. Now look at this. Here you all are seeing that here is one car. That car price is 19 rupees, 19,65,256, right? The price of this car is 19,65,256. Now, price of the car. How many digits are there in the price? Price में कितनी digits है? That we have to find. So, now count with me that price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many digits are there? 7 digits. How many digits? Look at this. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. Okay. How many digits are there in the price? 7 digits. Now look at this. The price of this house. Look at this picture. This is a house, right? Living room is here. So, what was the price of this house? That we have to find. The price of this house is 65 lakhs 97,787 is there. Now, how many digits are there in its price? ये इतना कितने digits है? That we have to find. So look at this. Price of the house 65,000, 65 lakhs 97,789 is there. Now let's count with me the price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. Correct? Look at this. What is this? This is a bungalow. Look at this image. This image about bungalows. Now always bungalows price is higher than the house, right? So the price of this bungalows is 2,78,65,240. Okay. How many digits are there in its price? इस price में digit कितने हैं? That we have to find it. Now count with me. How many digits are there? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here is how many digits are here? 8 digits. Now, one more example. Which is the highest place value for 7 digits? 7 digits में highest place value कौन सा होगा? वो हमें find करना है. Okay. So, let's see. Now, for 7-digit number, 10 lakhs is the highest place value. 7-digit number में 10 lakhs है वो क्या है? Highest digits value है. Now see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 lakhs, 24 lakhs, 23, 2 lakhs, 42,000. Now look at this. 24 lakhs, 23,456. 24 lakhs, 23,456. But the highest digit place value is, look at this, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is there. Okay. Now look at this. Which is the highest place value of the 8-digit number? Let's see. Crores. 8-digit numbers is equal to crores is the highest place value. Crores is the highest place value is there. So in that, here look at this. 4 is here. Crores, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So highest digit number is 4. Crores is there. crores. Okay. Now look at this chart. Previously also you all have seen this chart, right? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. So in that crores, tens, how many zeros are there? 1 0. 100, 2 zeros are there. Then thousands, 3 0. 10,000, 4 0 are there. Lakhs, 5 0. 10 lakhs, 6 0. Crores, how many zeros are there? 7 0 and 10 crores. That means 8 zeros are there. Every time 10 multiplies are there. Okay. Now let's us now solve a few problems on finding the place value of digits in the given number. Okay. So find the place value of 3 in, हमें क्या find करना है? What we have to find? Place value of 3 in. Okay. Try recalling the first step for finding the place value. So what we have to do? We have to draw a place value box and write the digits under the correct place from right to left. Now look at this. Ones, tens, 100, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores are there. Okay. Now step number 2. Identify the place name of the underlying digit. Underlying digit is, which one is there? 3. Correct? Which is there? 3 is there. So we have to find the 3. 3 is in the, where is the 3 place value of the? 10 lakhs. 3 is in the which place? 10 lakhs. Now let's check. 3 is in the 10 lakhs place. 3 कहाँ पे है? 10 lakhs की place में. Correct? Okay. Now we have to calculate the place value of the underlying digit, multiply its the corresponding value of the place. So what we have to do? 3 is in the lakhs place. So first of all, the place value of 3 is equal to 3 into 10 lakhs. Because where is the 3? 3 is the place value of 10 lakhs. Got it? Then 3 into 10 lakhs, that means 13 lakhs. The place value of 3 is in 1 crore 34 lakhs 56,789 is equal to 13 lakhs. Now what you have to do, students? Look at this. I'll give you one means you have to complete your work. Then we'll start next unit. Next steps. Okay. Look at this. I'll give you one means you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now next example, find the place value of 2 in underlined word 2 crores 34,056 2 crore 34 lakhs 56,789. Now let's see the answer. First of all, step 1, we have to draw the boxes. We have to put ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. 2 crore 34 lakhs 56,789. 2 is in the crores place. 2 कहाँ पे? Where is the 2? In the crores place. So what we have to do? 2 in the crore place. So the place value of 2 is in 2 crores 34,056 34 lakhs 56,789. 2 into 1 crore. 2 into 1 crore. So answer is 2 crores are there. The place value of 2 is in the 2 crores. Now look at this, everyone. Write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next CRL. Okay students, now read and write 8-digit number. First of all हमने 4-digit numbers देखा, 7-digit number. Now we'll read and write 8-digit number. That I'll show you here. So read the numbers. Okay, here is a number. How you read? Simply you are reading like that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. This is a correct matter? No. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 1, 2. Okay? No. This is wrong. This is counting. This counting is wrong. ये जो counting है वो कैसा है? Wrong है, गलत. ठीक है? Let's learn how to read the numbers. अभी हम क्या सीखेंगे? Numbers को कैसे read करना है. Okay? So write the place value each digit learn earlier. हमें क्या करना है? ये जो जितनी भी digits है उसकी हमें place value find करनी है. जो हमें मालूम है, हमें पहले भी हम लोगों ने सीखा है. So place value of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. What we have to write first? First of all we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Then we'll put 2 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 8 is in the 100 place, 9th we have to write in the 1000 place, 7 we have to write in the 10,000 place, 6 we have to write in the lakhs place, 5 we have to write in the 10 lakhs place, and 4 we have to write in the crores place. That means 4 crore 56 lakhs. 50 lakhs, 6 lakhs. What we have to read together? 56 lakhs. 7,000 and 9,000. Both are there. 70,000 and 9,000. So here we have to write 79,000. 79,000. 812. 812. Got it? A number is already read in the periods 1,000, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores are the 4 periods. इसको हमने कितने periods में divide किया है? Is in the 4 periods. Okay. Now, first period 4,000, 56 lakhs, third period. Then second period 70,000, then 9,000. That means 79,000. Period number third 812 is there. Okay. Start the reading periodic wise. 4 crores 56 lakhs 79,812 is there. Okay. Again repeat with me. 4 crores 56 lakhs 79,812. Now look at this, everyone. Write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute to how to complete your work. Okay students, let's learn how to write numbers. Okay, now write 4 crores 50 lakhs 79,812. So first of all we have to write the place value of each digit and learn earlier. So we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores are there. Then we have to put 2 in the ones place, 1 tens place, 8 100 place, that means 800. Nines we have to write in the 1,000 place, 7th we have to write in the 7,000 place, 6 we have to write in the lakhs place, and then the 5th we have to write in the 10 lakhs place, 4 we have to write in the crores place. So 4 crores, 15 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 17,000, 9,810, 2. Okay, so now a number is already written as a periodic. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores are 4 digits periods. Period number 4, crores, 4 crores. Period number 3rd, tens and lakhs is there, 10 lakhs and lakhs is there, that means 56 lakhs. Period number 2, 10,000 and thousands are there, that means 79,000. Period number 1, 100 tens and ones is there, 800, 1 and 2 is there. So now start writing a periodic wise from the right at the common from right to left. So in that, how we have to write? 4,056, 4 lakhs 56,000, 79,812. 4,056, 4 lakhs, 4 crores 56 lakhs 79,812. Now look at this everyone. 4 crore 56 lakhs 79,812. Read from left to right. Left से हम right तक read करेंगे. ठीक है. Now look at, first of all you have to write this. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now look at this. Write it down in your notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Okay students, now quickly we revise something. In the worksheet number first, identify the place names and place value of the underlined digit in each of the following numbers. So in that underline, in the first one, yesterday we are completed A, B, C, D, correct? Now we'll start from the even. 4,56,789. So underlined word is the 4. So 4 lakhs, lakhs place value 4 lakhs. Lakhs place value is a 4 lakhs. 67,890. So 10,000 place is the 16,000. 6 in the 16,000 place. 1,34,965 is there. So lakhs place value is the 1 lakhs. Now again 1 crore 1 crore 24 lakhs 67,880 899 is there. Crore place value is the 1 crores. Okay. Then second one 2 crore 34 lakhs 78,656. 10 lakhs place value is a 13 lakhs is there. So like that students, you have to write worksheet number 1 in your rough book and send it to me, this worksheet, in a homework. Okay, you have to write the worksheet number 1 in your rough book and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay students. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. You have to complete your work on time.